Do you find a lot of AI slop in your industry?
Almost every brief I get from marketing teams is created by AI. On social media, everybody seems to have a very specific line, way of talking, which is clearly copy pasted from ChatGPT. It is it is three short sentences, which are, it's not this, it is this, So yeah, AI stop is everywhere.
Voiceover still, AI voiceover has still got a bit of a way to go. There's so many examples that you see, not even within our team, but in the wild, that's just very clearly created by no effort to disguise the fact it's created with AI.
Yeah, I had a client that was very enthusiastic about using ChatGPT. We called him out on it 3 or 4 times, but he didn't listen. He kept doing it. So I got very frustrated and I created a project on ChatGPT under the client's name. And I would just copy his emails, put it in ChatGPT, and then just copy whatever ChatGPT said and send it back to him as an example of what was going on. At one point, I even, told ChatGPT that this is what is happening. And ChatGPT said, now you are a conduit, that I am a conduit between the two AIs talking to each other. And I got very angry and revolted against my little chatbot.
It sounds like this is a pain point in general. Like, based on your professional experience, do you have any advice on navigating these conversations with like clients or leadership that are pushing fast AI slop solutions?
Going a step back. So making everyone see that if that is the direction they want to choose, they do that being conscious of consequences. Because otherwise, in, I don't know, 2-3 years, they will have lost their essence as a brand. They will be the same as any other cheap competitor. They will lose the essence of their team. They will be burned out, frustrated, and not liking what they do. So it's also placing a mirror on consequences. What happens when we bring the full team or the full company into this loop? So yeah, answering to you, Nicole, bringing conversations in leadership forums.
I was taking
Opening,
notes.
yeah,
I was over here like,
asking more questions. So not opening questions. What happens if? Have you thought about? What are your plans in 3 years with this technology? How are we going to maintain our values in the company? How are we going to maintain our team spirit?
Lighthouse AI Academy.
Let your curiosity